everyone, I'm Farhal Imran, and today I'll be telling you about OpenAI's plan to make an AI web browser. So I'll be telling you all about it, so stay tuned until the end so that you don't miss any information regarding it. So let's get started. So here's a blog in which it says that how OpenAI's plan for AI web browser could upend the online ad market because the ad market is based on Google, and if it takes and Google could be on a disadvantage if OpenAI takes over their web portal. So if their AI web browser takes over Google's web portal, so it could affect your business also. And so they say that how because OpenAI, if I tell you a little bit about it, it was a world famous AI startup which hit an astonishing $157 billion valuation. So now it's planning to release its own AI web browser. So what it will be it will not have the basic web browsing things like how Google has. It would have AI infusion, means they will put ChatGPT in it. So with the help of AI, you could search things with the help of AI. So not only that, even it the information reports that it may seem like a so what situation as there are so many browsers on the market already, from Google's Chrome to Apple Safari and even some independent ones like Firefox or DuckDuckGo. But some new browser system arriving on the scene just as AI seems to be expanding, it can be simply changing which tools people use to find information online, like how OpenAI's browser, if it would be successful, it could totally shake the online advertisement industry, impacting the countless third party companies that rely on the way the ad algorithms work right now. So, OpenAI, in a few months, what it happened, it was how it integrated web search features into ChatGPT. Means there was a web search feature that it would search the web and it will give you the information regarding it, which was a move that makes some sense. But now what it will do, that it will make the new web browser, it would approach the same problem, but it would be the other way around. Rather than ChatGPT finding the searching for the information for you, what it would do that in the new search function, ChatGPT would be integrated to it, and then, for example, you find information with the help of AI. So there would be a web browser, complete web browser. In it, you'll search the information, and then with the help of AI. So now what it would do, it could also include some partnerships with different e-commerce websites and apps to help populate the search engines with useful up-to-date material. And they say that how browsers are how many people interact with online workplace tools, and how many of us get some news like AI news or anything news we can get. And now what it would do, so it would be launching a ChatGPT browser. What it will do, it will keep users logged into OpenAI's ecosystem for longer, which will enable the company to make money either from subscription access to ChatGPT's smarter features or by selling ads. And then it would also place ChatGPT in the front and center of many more people online experiences, and that ChatGPT could be more famous also. And how if OpenAI's features like it actually help improve the business of finding information online or simply navigating through different stores websites when you're trying to find the perfect birthday gift for someone, then people could switch over to that browser. And one more thing, this would be a terrible news for Google. Why? Because how Chrome browser, it commands around 66% of the global market, and it's also integrated deeply into Google's ecosystem, like how users can log in their Google accounts in the browser, they can access email or workplace productivity tools like shared document writing, and it's the simplest method for Googling information. Now, even Google has been experimenting with integrating its own AI systems into the browser, for how a fast growing market leading AI company to take aim at Chrome would have been unsettling for Google's leadership. And now is not the best time for Google because there's an antitrust case against the tech giant because the DOJ, the Department of Justice, is pushing Google to sell Chrome, which is divorcing it from the Google ecosystem. And because they say that they find that Google behaves like a monopoly in this search ads game, and separating Google into its own company would certainly impact how ads are served. So it might be a bad news for Google and an opening for OpenAI. So the arrival of a fully ChatGPT enabled web browser with its own AI infused search engine would only upset this situation even more. And one more thing about OpenAI. So OpenAI, what it is doing, it has also hired former Chrome engineer to make the browser, the web browser. His name is Darren Fisher. So he's a former Chrome engineer and he has joined OpenAI. So because how it is said that OpenAI is reportedly working on a browser to take on Google Chrome. So Darren Fisher, he's a former Chrome engineer and he has joined OpenAI. So Darren Fisher, a former Chrome engineer, he has joined OpenAI. And even it says that this could add fuel to earlier reports about OpenAI's plan to develop a web browser to compete with Google Chrome. And they have said that OpenAI has been quietly assembled a team of former Google's developers to work on this new browser project. And also the company is in talks with Condé Nast, Eventbrite, Redfin, and Priceline to create specialized search features for travel, food, real estate, and retail websites. And according to an update to Darren Fisher's LinkedIn profile, so it says that he has recently joined OpenAI. As you can see the highlight, Darren was recently hired. And because you can see that his arrival is noteworthy because given that Fisher's background in browser development. And his professional history also includes contributions to Google Chrome, Mozilla or Firefox, and Neva, making him an asset for OpenAI's browser ambitions. So you can also learn more about him and what he brought to the Chrome team in the video below if you want to watch. One more is that Fisher played a pivotal role in shaping what would become one of the world's most popular browsers. So, under Fisher's leadership, Chrome introduced features like multi-process architecture and embraced a minimalist design philosophy summarized by the mantra content, not Chrome. So, because his team focused on four core principles: simplicity, speed, security, and stability. And what does Fisher bring to Chrome? So, as Fisher's emphasis of minimalist design and getting out of the way could complement AI integration. So imagine a browser that anticipates needs without cluttering the interface. And because his experience with Chrome's early development could help OpenAI avoid common pitfalls while building a browser from scratch. So because it might feature AI powered processes running in separate threads, building on his multi-process architecture enterprise, clean, distraction-free interface that emphasizes content, native performance optimization for each platform, and also intelligent features that appear only when needed, maintaining simplicity. So that's all he can say. I can tell you. So that's all I can tell about him. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much.